In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the text color of your site menu on Wix, which is a task you can undertake in order to give your website a fresh, attractive, and personalized look. To get started with modifying your site's menu text color, first, you need to open your website in the Wix editor. This platform is where all the customization and design of your Wix website take place. Just navigate to your Wix account, select your desired website, and it should lead you to the Wix editor. Next, you will need to select the site menu that you wish to customize. This menu is usually located at the top of your website, but its location can vary based on your site's design. Simply left-click on the menu. When the menu is selected, a series of icons should appear around it, letting you know that it's ready for modification. The third step is to open the design options. When the site menu is selected, you should see an icon, often represented by a paint palette or a pencil, that represents design. Clicking on this icon will open a range of options that allow you to modify the design of your menu. Having clicked on the design icon, next you'll want to select the option labeled Customize Design. This will present you with more specific ways of changing the visual aspects of your site's menu. Now, with the Customizations panel open, look for the section labeled either Menu Items or Text. This section comprises of the options that control the look of your menus, including their fonts, sizes, and most crucially for us today, their color. The next step is to select the item state for which you wish to change the text color. There are usually 3 states available: regular, hover, and current page selected. Regular is the default view of your menu. Hover is what the color changes to when a user's cursor hovers over a menu item. And current page selected refers to the color of the menu item representing the page your site visitor is currently on. Having chosen your item state, it's time to adjust the text color. Within your chosen state, there should be a range of text options. Included in these options, you'll find the color picker. By clicking on this, you can select your desired color from a palette, or if you have a custom color in mind, you can input its hex, RGB, or HSB code. Once you've picked the new color for your menu text, the changes will typically apply automatically. You don't need to worry about saving or confirming them. Just simply select them, and Wix will do the rest. The final step in this process is to preview your site and verify that your menu text color has changed as per your specifications. Browse through your pages, hover over your menus, ensure the color changes exactly as intended. There you have it. You've just changed the text color of your site menu on Wix. Thanks for following along with this tutorial.